Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is foldable number 2, section 4.3, finding the zeros of a polynomial function. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. The first one here we have is this one right here. And for this one we have our y is equal to x minus 6 and 3 plus, x plus 3. So for this one here, first thing we got to do is find our zeros. So our zeros for this one would be, we can just actually set this equal to 0. So it would be x minus 6 equals 0, and our x plus 3 equals 0. And if we do the math, plus 6 to both sides, this would be x is equal to 6. This would be minus 3 to both sides. This would be x is equal to negative 3. So we'd go ahead and plug those points into this other side here. If you notice here, we have, if we plug in 0, that means it's 6. So it would be at 0, positive 6, which is here, and 0, negative 3, which is here. We know this here. Do it in blue. X times x would give us an x squared throughout the thing. And this is all we really need to find out our end behavior. So if you guys remember, if you guys don't remember the end behavior, then you guys should go ahead and take a look at the end behavior chart that we had. But it basically means that whenever you have a positive, which is 1 here, so it'd be positive, and an even on top, that means it's going to be up and up. That means we're going to be coming down from here, coming this way, touching here and going through, and then going back up and going up. But we're actually going to go and take a look at, we're going to choose a number in between here to kind of give you an idea. And let's go ahead and choose, let's see, I guess the easiest number would be 0. So let's go ahead and choose 0. If we plug in 0 for x here, for both of these, we can kind of get a chance to see what it looks like. So it would be 0 minus 6, and I'll just substitute the 0 here, times 0 plus 3. So I've substituted the 0 here and here. So this would be our y equals still. So 0 minus 6 is negative 6 times positive 3. This would equal a negative 18. So that's gonna be so it's 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 18 would be like way down over here. So it would go all the way down. Let's do this in blue. We had it. We're not gonna go all the way down there, but it would go all the way down there and then come all the way back up and go back to infinity. So that's kind of how that would look, and that's a good way to do it if you don't actually want to plug this into a calculator. But if you wanted to, you can go ahead and just plug this part into the calculator too, and it'll give you what this kind of looks like here on this side.